What is the difference between equations and inequalities in algebra? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where you need to find one exact piece that fits perfectly. Now think about a puzzle where you need to find all pieces that fit within a certain range. That's a bit like the difference between equations and inequalities in algebra. An equation is a statement that shows two expressions are exactly equal, using the equal sign, which looks like this. Is equal to. For example, if I say 3 times a number plus 2 equals 11, written as 3x plus 2 equals 11, it means the expression on the left is exactly the same as the one on the right. When solving equations, you are trying to find the specific value or values that make the statement true. Usually, equations have one solution or a small set of solutions. For example, the equation plus 3 equals 7 has just one solution, which is 4. In contrast, an inequality compares two expressions that are not necessarily equal, using symbols like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. These symbols look like this: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, greater or equal to, and less than or equal to, less or equal to. For example, if I say x plus 5 is greater than 10, written as x plus 5 10, it means the value of x makes the expression on the left bigger than the one on the right. When solving inequalities, you are often looking for all values that satisfy the condition, which can be a whole range of numbers. For instance, x plus 3 greater than or equal to 7 includes all numbers greater than or equal to 4. Both equations and inequalities use similar algebraic steps to find solutions. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide both sides of the statement to isolate the variable. But with inequalities, there is an important rule. If you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the inequality symbol. For example, if you have negative 2 times x greater than 6, written as negative 2x 6, and you divide both sides by negative 2, the inequality flips to x less than 6 divided by negative 2, which is x less than negative 3. This flipping rule does not apply when solving equations. The equal sign stays the same no matter what you do. Graphically, equations show exact points or lines on a number line or coordinate plane. For example, the equation y equals x graphs as a straight line. Inequalities, however, show entire regions or areas that include all points satisfying the condition. For example, y greater than or equal to includes the line y equals x plus all points above it. To sum it up, the main differences are the symbols used, the number of solutions, the rule for multiplying or dividing by negatives, and how they look on a graph. Equations use the equal sign and usually have one solution, while inequalities use symbols like greater than or less than and can have many solutions. Knowing these differences helps you pick the right method to solve each type of problem and understand what the solutions mean.